Hi, in this video I'm going to present you Rapid PBR Material Creator add-on for Blender. This add-on was made to speed up material creating workflow. Here in Substance Painter I have new PBR material created. The textures are exported and now I would like to import them as a new material to Blender. Without this add-on I need to go to the Shading tab, create new material and drag all these textures manually. For some of them I need to change the color space to non-color data, connect the nodes and add some additional nodes like this normal map node. And here we have it. Of course it's not done yet, it will take me approximately 40 mouse clicks more to have a proper PBR material setup. Now if I would like to add another one, for example this one, I need to duplicate this material, change its name, and replace the textures one by one with the textures for the another material. This process can be extremely time-consuming. What if you have changed the textures externally, for example in Photoshop, or baked new pack in the Substance Painter? I will tell you what, you need to reload each texture one by one again. But luckily, with this add-on, you can do all this stuff with just one click of the button. Let me show you. Let's delete this material and open the side panel where the add-on is located. Choose the directory where the textures you want to use are. Type desired material name and hit Create Material. As you can see, new material has been created instantly and it looks perfect. The add-on looks for specific file suffixes in the directory to get the textures, but if you use different than default, you can choose your own of course, or simply change the file names. We can also add another material, or by clicking this checkbox, we can replace selected material with a new one with different textures. Now let's set all the material back. And as you can see, it's super fast. Now to show you how quickly I can update existing materials, I will modify my material in the Substance Painter, export its textures, and thanks to this add-on, I can reload them with one click. I can also make some changes in, for example, Paint. Reload the materials, and it works perfectly. Thanks for watching this short video, and if you would like to get this add-on, links to the stores can be found in the description below.